changed ourselves?
Amigos, I've known Amigos for a very long time, since I was from school. And since it says engage, inspire and transform, it has engaged all of us with each other and with team building. Inspire and personally inspired from Amit's story, the way he had trained other people. And then transform, definitely we can see transformation in each and everyone, and personally myself.
And coming to second day, we got us goal settings, and which helps me motivate every day. Like it motivates me every day to achieve it. And the third day of team building, it's like working with different people, different personalities. It was a really good experience. I'm thankful for Amit sir for the guidance and Tejas sir for working with us from day one. And thanks for Amigos team for teaching us the leadership.